Welcome back to this clown's garage. In this video I will show you how to fix this issue where you do the turn signal and the high beams go on as well at the same time. As you can see, I don't have the high beams on, just the turn signal is on and the high beams stayed on. If I go left, high beams went off and now the high beams don't go on. The high beams are on again. So this car is a 2007 Impala. So anything from 2006 to 2016, a 9th generation Impala, this fix is exactly the same. Now this is caused by a short circuit in your turning lever, or the multifunction switch as they call it. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. Okay, first thing to do here is grab this, and this yanks out. Let me put a rag here. Grab a pair of pliers and just use that as leverage to pop it out. Just like that. Now over here is a T25 Torx. So using a Torx Allen, go ahead and take that off. Now grab these plastics, they should pull apart. Just like that. Now the other side pulls apart too, just like that. Take this plastic piece off underneath the steering column. There's two 7mm bolts over here. Grab this and yank it down. Just like that. Okay, now put a little panel remover here, or you can put a flathead screwdriver just to pry this enough so you can pull it over this key cylinder. This whole thing opens up like that. It's hinged in the back, so as you can see, it's hinged, so you can take it off the hinges like that, and this whole thing comes off. Alright, now for the tilt, you can just pull this forward, that's how it looks like, and put the tilt up and down. Over here I turn the steering wheel, try to get a better angle here, but I couldn't get this straight in, a straight shot. So Allen is key here. There's one T25 here, Torx headed screw, and one on top. So I'm just going to go ahead and loosen those and take them out. Alright, so another way to do this is, if you have a little bit ratchet, like this one here, you could use that to try to take it off. But even that, it's a tight squeeze. There you go. That's one. And now the top one. And that's out. And this whole thing comes out like that. Now you just gotta pop off these connectors. Now you take a small flathead and you see this clip. Push this up and pop this out just like that. And the same thing here, push this up and pop this out. Pop it out. And there's one more back here. Same procedure. Stick it from behind, stick her from behind, and pop her off. That's it. She's out, baby. So this is the new part we got from standard, and this is what it looks like. Go ahead and install this. Installation is reversal of removal. So stick her in, stick this in. Now everything's in. You can actually test this. hazards work. Turn the key to the run position. Left works. Right works. And wipers work. And the soap works, the windshield washer fluid. So everything works. Make sure you test it before you assemble everything back up. So now I'm going to go ahead and screw this down. Alright, put this in. Okay, that one caught. Don't put it in all the way. Okay, I'll show you a little trick with this one. Using this bit that I have, this T25 bit, put it in the tissue paper and put it through, and now it grabbed, and now you could go ahead and put this in the bottom one. Now to put this in, shine a light over here so you can see the hole, and it should be right there. It's a little tricky to find the hole, and that should be it. Yeah, baby. I found the hole, baby. Now go ahead and tighten both of them down. That's good. And that's good. Okay, now to put it back in, let me do the top first. Get this in place, and I'm going to put the bottom one in. Okay, so the top is in. Now the top is in, you could grab your tilt lever, tilt it up, so you have all this space down here to see what you're doing. And these hooks go to the hinges in the back. You could put those in first. Okay, those are in. To make it easier on you, you can also take this bottom plate off here. It'll give you more room, but you can also do it this way. Okay, now when you pop this up into place, the screw down here threads through into this piece here. So that's your goal, is to get it through there. And you can put your finger through here and guide it to that hole. Okay, once it catches, go ahead and everything pops into place. And that's in on this side. And this side here is all aligned. You just got to push it in now. Just like that. And you're good. And now to put this in, snaps are in place, and you can pull this out. So the trick here is pop the top in first. So once you get that situated, then hinge the bottom from the back, roll this up, put your finger in here, try to catch that screw where it's supposed to go, guide it in with your finger. Then once you tighten this down, and the other side is sort of in place, lined up, this screw will draw this in and clamp down on this. So you just got to put this cover on down here, and that's with the two screws, and it clips right in on top, and we're done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, and share me. See ya!